Greetings of the day. This is Dr. Supriya, Principal of Arise International School, Bhosri. When, as a principal, we think about having the students of this society, we always think about having an overall developed student who has a knowledge to be a global citizen. As a school, we shoulder a lot of responsibility to nurture and produce good citizens for India. In school, we train them for being academically strong. Along with that, they need to be non-academically strong as well, which has an exposure in dance, music, theatre, sports, and many more areas. In day-to-day life, students with their learning skills need to get an exposure to understand the concepts very well. For that, we have 3D lab in the school, wherein maths and science subjects are very well explained with their 3D concepts where the students are completely involved, post which they do their concept clearance test, which helps them understand whether the time that they have invested in this understanding is fruitful or not. Giving an exposure in dance, music, and theatre and making them have their exposed areas or their hobby to be nurtured as a career in future as a secondary option. It's also a task which a school always have to look forward for. We have to give them an understanding what is happening in dance, what is happening in music, and what is happening in theatre. Accordingly, we all love sports. Everybody would like to know all the games, but it's really very tasking and tedious to make sure you learn all the sports. But we ensure at least 4 sports students need to get an exposure as per their interest. They learn all the skills with regards to that sports along with the rules and regulations and make sure that they are completely skilled with that sport abilities and are able to participate in the tournaments which we are being organized. Making sure not only reading, writing and comprehending is a basic need of any person to make sure that they are called as literates. We as principals, we as teachers needs to make sure that the child really understands the meaning of right to education. Carrying his or her responsibility to be a good citizen along with the societal rules and regulations is also very, very important. Only nurturing the students in academics does not make sure that we have done with our duties. Spirituality, science and vocationalism is our motto. We make sure post-assembly and before the dispersal of the school, students do meditation regularly. We do make them understand the meaning of meditation and wellness of their brain is taken care of. Every person needs to be very confident and firm about his or her decisions. Every person needs to understand what he or she is meant for. Unless and until we give them that confidence and take care of their mental well-being, students, parents, teachers, or the staff of any particular organization may not attain the utmost success. So school always takes care of wellness and mental well-being of all the stakeholders available around. Making sure that learning just does not become a monotonous activity. There are a lot of fun elements which are to be added which has a lot of activity-based learning. Making something on their own, creating it on their own and assuring that they take the pride in having the entire credit of getting that work done is something which pleasures the parents and the students. We always strive for having the students being more responsible in getting things done on their own. Education is the key to success. So let's understand the meaning of this success and make sure that all the students of Arise International School, Bhosri gets an exposure and make their life successful in all the areas where they are given an exposure. So we as the stakeholders, being the member from the organization, assures the parent to make sure all their dreams come true through their students. Thank you and have a great day ahead.